Investing $1,000 in the stock market is a challenging task. You need to make sure you're doing it right and not risking too much of your money. In this video, we'll discuss how to invest $1,000 in stocks and what strategies you can use to make money while investing. There are many different ways to invest $1,000 in the stock market. The best way is to start small and take a long-term approach. You should also diversify your investments between different industries, countries, and sectors. Investing in stocks is a popular way to make money because it has a high return rate, with some investors seeing an average of 9% returned annually. However, there is a chance that you could lose all your invested money if the stock does not perform well. As a result, it's become extremely important to do thorough research, and we always mention it on this channel. Do your research. This channel is for entertainment purposes only. We do provide you with some information about the stock market and investments, but as with anything you do in life, always do the research before you invest real money in any investment. So, investing in stocks is a great way to grow your money. It's also the best way to take advantage of the power of compound interest. There are many ways you can invest money in stocks. One way is to buy individual stocks. Another option is to invest in mutual funds or ETFs, better known as exchange traded funds. You can also use a robo-advisor, which will manage your investment for you and automatically rebalance them when necessary. At first, it may seem that investing $1,000 won't amount to much and might not be worth it. However, if you take a more in-depth look at the benefits of investing $1,000 today, you'll find that your money can grow much faster than expected. The sooner you start investing, the better. There are many ways to make money through investing, but one of the best for beginners is investing $1,000 in the stock market. The market typically rises with time, so this offers an excellent opportunity for beginners without too much risk. ETFs can be the perfect investment vehicle for those starting out with only $1,000. There's a huge selection of ETFs to choose from, many of which focus on standard benchmarks such as the bond market or the stock market. ETFs are simple to buy, typically requiring lower fees than many other investment vehicles, and can accept short deposits. ETFs also spread out the investment over various stocks or other investments. This means if a certain stock tanks, the ETF is balanced enough to overcome that one loss. Over time, this approach is ideal for those who want to minimize losses. If the markets go through a correction period, even ETFs will be affected. You want to buy ETFs and hold them for the long term. When you're looking to have ultimate control over your investments and which businesses you're investing in, it can be a wise decision to purchase individual stocks. With as little as $1,000, it's possible to build a well-rounded portfolio of starter stocks that will stand the test of time. Don't underestimate the power of $1,000. You can get a lot for your money when it comes to buying stocks or making investments, such as retirement funds. If you're investing for the long term, you have time on your side. The longer you hold the investment, the better the chance it'll grow over time. The stock market has always fluctuated, and you can lose money if you sell when the current market is down. The most successful people in the world know that by holding their investments and diversifying them, they can weather any dips in the market while still making a profit. Warren Buffett has faced more ups and downs in his lifetime than the average person will. Buffett's approach to making money is that he invests in what he knows and understands. The same key principles that Buffett uses in his investing can be applied to everyday life. If you know what you want and work hard to achieve it, you can better manage the periodic highs and lows that come with living. Don't let fear of not having enough money to invest hold you back from making investments for your future. In many cases, people have been able to make a healthy income from investing a relatively small amount of money. The more you know about your finances and what investments are available, the better you'll be able to plan for the future and grow your wealth over time. If you enjoyed today's video and want to learn more on how to grow your money, hope you can hit that subscribe button. That's the start. If you have not already subscribed to the channel, hitting the notification bell will let you know when the next video is up. Hitting the like button helps this content be found on YouTube. Thanks for watching, keep hustling, and we'll see you in the next one. More pop dollars coming up, so stay tuned.